Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Lemar Jamison. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you could check your credit reports for free from all three bureaus. That's from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. On this website, they allow you to check it only once a year, but during COVID, they're allowing you to check it weekly. For those that don't know, this is the time to take advantage of this situation so that way you can be able to see what's on your credit reports. Okay. And I'm going to go through the whole steps with y'all step by step. Okay. So I'm trying to make it as simple as I can. So what we're going to do is that you want to click on your Google browser. I'm already on Google right now. And what you want to type in the search bar, you want to type in annual credit report. So I'm going to type in annual credit report, annual. See, mine's come up. See, it's right here at the top. You can either click here or you can click over here. For some reason, every time I search something, I always just click over here for some reason. But if you click here or click here, it doesn't matter. You go to the same page anyway. So I'm going to just click here. We're on the front page of the website. As you see here, annualcreditreport.com, the only source for your free credit reports authorized by federal law. Basically, on this website, they allow you to check it only once a year. But as you see here, it says during the COVID-19 pandemic, accessing your credit is important. That's why Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion are continuing to offer free weekly online credit reports. Also crucial to check because of, you never know, people's identity get taken a lot. So you never know if there's some fraudulent stuff on your account. So, I mean, if you're a person who don't really check your credit all the time, you won't never know that. But like I said, it's a time where you could check this because as you read there, excuse me, as you read there, they're allowing you to check it weekly. Let's go ahead where it says request your free credit reports. Let's go ahead and click on that. All right. Now, you're going to get to this page here. As you see, it says 3 steps to your free credit reports. So basically, step 1 is basically like filling out your first name, your last name, your social security number, and all that good stuff. And then after you do that, and then step 2, you're going to pick the bureau you want to pull from. Now, this part right here is crucial because you can't pull from all 3 at the same time. So you want to at least pick one. So after you fill out your form, like your first name, last name, and all that type of stuff, and then you want to, you might say, hey, I want to pull from Equifax. So you just click on Equifax. Step 3 is like, okay, after you fill out your forms and then you pick the bureau you want to pull from. So say Equifax, they're going to give you some questions that only you can know and answer. So that way they can identify you. So after you get through the review, then you'll be able to get access to your credit report. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to go through this all with you. I just wanted just to briefly go over these steps here before we get into it. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing here. And as you see down here, guys, it says your free annual credit report does not include credit scores. So keep in mind that they're not going to show your credit scores. What we're going to do is that we're going to click on where it says request your credit reports. So as you see here, we're on step 1 there. We want you to put your legal name. You can put your middle name, but it doesn't require your last name, your birth date, your social security number, and your current address. So for instance, guys, in my situation, I just changed my address. The new address that I got now, I'm going to put here. The last address before my new address, I'm going to put here, my previous one. Okay. And then after you fill out all that type of stuff, you just want to click on next. Now we're on step 2. So step 1 was basically we filled out our information and all that good stuff. So if you made it to step 2, you'll see the these boxes right here. Remember I said that you can't pull from each bureau. You can't do that. Okay. So they'll allow you to only do one at a time. We're going to pull from TransUnion. Now keep in mind, guys, I notice when I've been doing this, I'll be forgetting sometimes where I pull from because they rotate. I recommend that you get a pen and you write down the bureau you pull from. Okay, like we're pulling from TransUnion. So get a pen or a piece of paper and write down TransUnion so you don't forget which one you pull from. All right, so after we click the box that we want to pull from, so we're pulling from TransUnion. Let's go ahead and click on next. So as you see, guys, here, I actually did it. I had to wait at least like a few more days so that way I could go ahead and check my credit report again. But step 3 is basically they're going to ask you information that you will only know once you answer the questions and stuff like that, and they authenticate you. Then they're going to give you access to your report. Okay, so keep in mind it's TransUnion. Okay, if y'all in there and once you go see your report, you want to go somewhere where it's going to, you want to save it. Okay, you want to go to you want to look at the top of your report, and it's going to ask you something. It's going to say print, save, or whatever it is. You want to print it. If you got a printer, print it out. If you got to save it to your computer, save it to your computer. Then I'll go back to Google again, and I'll type in annual credit report. As you see, it comes up. I'll type annual credit report. You could go ahead and click here, or you could just click up here. Go ahead and click on your request your free credit reports. We'll go to request our credit forms again. We're going to pull from Equifax because we already did TransUnion, so we're going to pull from Equifax. Keep in mind, guys, is that the bureaus are going to be different to identify you, so it might look different. TransUnion looked at a different way, then Equifax is different because they're all different credit bureaus, so they're going to have their own ways how to identify you. So just keep in mind that they're not going to be the same. Equifax want us to put our mobile number in and our email address. Okay, I already received it, so basically I wait a couple days to actually to do this again. Go ahead and write Equifax down, and I think the last one we have is Experian. Now we back in our Google browser, and let's go to annual credit report again. Let's click on annual credit report, and then like I said, you can click on here or you can click on here. I'll just click on here. Okay, see, it takes you to the same thing. All right, and you just complete the process again. So now we got one more. All right, so just click on that. We'll click on request our credit reports. We'll fill our information in again. We already did TransUnion. We already did Equifax. And now the last one is that we're going to do Experian. And we're just going to go ahead and hit next. See how I said the questions are going to be different. The outlook is going to be different because of each bureau. With Experian, they're giving you like at least like 4 minutes and somewhat seconds. So we got to get through this. So I'm going to go ahead and answer these questions. You go ahead and answer your questions that you're seeing. And let's try to get this done before the 4 minutes. Wow, I guess Experian let me check my credit report. That's nice. I thought they wasn't going to let me check it, but yeah, I'm actually in. All right, so yeah. Equifax and TransUnion didn't allow me to, but I guess Experian did. So since we're here, as you see, where it says here, when you get to the front page of the Experian, you'll see your name and all that type of stuff. See where it says personal and confidential? You want to click over here where it says print your report, because I'm going to show you how you can actually save your report to your computer. At the top right corner, you'll see print report. So go ahead and click on print report. And keep in mind, guys, if you don't have a printer, that's fine. They're still going to allow you to download to your computer. So go ahead and click on print report. All right. Now, for those who don't have a printer, see where it says save as PDF. You just want to go ahead and click on save as PDF. If you got a printer, the printer should come up. If you don't see the printer, you can just go ahead and click on the arrow down and it shows you your printer and everything else. Or if you're not seeing PDF, you can just click over here on this arrow and you could be able to look for PDF up in here. I just wanted to make this video to give you all this knowledge for those that didn't know that they could check their credit score. I mean, their credit history, their credit reports for free, and save you some money. Hopefully this video helped you and brought some knowledge to you, so that way you could be able to do it yourself now. And like I said, take advantage of it weekly. But other than that, guys, thank you for stopping by the channel. I really appreciate it. And catch y'all guys in the next video. Y'all have a great day.